What's up, guys? Welcome back to Maja_KE. Guys, I'm really sorry for me being away for a minute. I believe it's a minute, but anyway, guys, thank you so much for keeping on in touch with Maja_KE. This is a channel where we vlog and showing you the village life, and apart from village, also traveling. Thank you so much, you guys who have sticked on with me. I really appreciate you guys for everything that you're doing for me. I really don't know how to tell you, but you guys, you are amazing. You guys on my channel, I don't know what to give you guys, but anyway, I'll give you the best. So tell a friend to tell another friend. Maja_K is back, and I'm really happy. Yeah, and I know some of you guys have been where's Maja, and what is Maja up to? Yeah, Maja, I'm here. Sorry for the long time I have not uploaded videos. I think it's like 3 to 4 days, but anyway, due to some circumstances, and I've not been that good, but anyway, God is good. We are now here back and kicking, and beside everything, God is the one who knows, guys. And I'm really happy today. I am back, guys. So if you have missed me, guys, kindly check on this video on my other videos that I have done, not only this video. Yeah, the whole videos that I have done. Kindly watch the videos, don't skip the ads, watch till the end. So guys, here Maja comes again. So guys, I don't want to promise you like good things, but I believe God will do that for us all. This channel is not only for me, guys, it's for you guys who are in this channel. Of course, 9,000 subscribers, 9,000 plus. You guys, this channel is for you, and it's positive vibes all the way, and I really appreciate you guys. We are working together, and we are at the positive side, guys. So I'm coming live from my home here. As you can see, this is our gate, guys, and people are grazing here. I don't know, we had some kids here grazing. I don't know why they have gone, but here we we allow anyone. You can see it's just near our gate, so we allow everyone to graze here, and that is the spirit we want. You never know, guys. You can say no to someone who is grazing around your home, because you know at times it's very busy, and maybe people want some privacy, but for me and for my family, I can say my parents, we are free. You can come and graze here at any time and any minute, guys. So guys, I really appreciate you so much. I will keep on telling you that you guys, 9,000 people who are watching Maja_KE, thank you so much. Peace and love, and that is what we want. We go with our pace and the peace that we want, guys. So I really appreciate you. May God bless you abundantly. So with me today, guys, it's just a simple video we are doing. I know you're used to my videos, but today is just a simple video because we are back after 3 or 4 days. But we are here strong and kicking, no matter what comes. They are bumpy. It's bumpy. We have somewhere where it's smooth, somewhere where it's hilly. We are here, guys, kicking, and thank you so much for people who are supporting Maja_KE, guys. So guys, who is your favorite YouTuber in Nyabohanse? Who is your favorite YouTuber in Nyabohanse village at large? So guys, that is the question I'm going to ask. Is just asking, and it's everyone's opinion to say his or her opinion on this channel. Yeah, so we are just going to talk like randomly, and it's not the major thing that we are going to talk about, but I will be asking who is your favorite YouTuber in this village. And we want, like for me, I really want everyone to be at peace in this village. And like even when you come from a different place to Nyabohanse, like feel very comfortable, but don't try to maybe you're trying to push away other people in the village because you are, and try to like make people here in the village look bad. Let's stay together, let's have peace like we used to have not recently, like 2 years ago. We used to have peace, YouTubers, peace in nyabohanse, and I always preach peace and love and positive vibes. I always preach that. So if you come to nyabohanse, you are free to come. You are free to come to anywhere, any place, anyone. And you guys, I believe you have seen anyone that is here, and he or she have reached out to someone who is like a YouTuber here in nyabohanse. He has really given her or good reception. So if we haven't given you a good reception, you can tell us, guys, and you can say on what to change, on what we do or receive people from outside to our village. But for me, I believe we are doing well, but we have to do some changes, not the villagers, but the people who come. We have to do some changes on you guys, because I really believe nyabohanse YouTubers, nyabohanse is a peaceful place, and a place you can admire and believe to come and stay very safe and peacefully, especially when the village buga is here. Your peace, positive vibes, especially when the village buga is here. That is all we want, guys. So this is our village nyabohanse, guys. If you are you have recently subscribed to my channel, you can see this is nyabohanse village. I know 9,000 people know nyabohanse and know Maja_K is home. No village grandpa, no village grandma, where they come from, where they live, and everything. We don't hide nothing, guys. We put it all here, guys. So if you know Maja_K, you know where he comes from, you know the house, you know the gate, you know where, yeah, near the road, everything. 9,000 people know about that. Yeah, so I think people who are recently subscribing to Maja_K, you will get to know more about this guy Maja_K, where he is from and what he is doing and what he aspires to do. Yeah, guys, the village buga. So I'm really privileged to have, I don't know who I should start with. Of course, this the other one, I don't want to say his name. He has been on my channel like almost every video, almost, not all, but almost every video. But we have our friend here, my in-law.
Yeah. Hi guys.
Yeah,
my name is Luca. I do have a channel called the Luca Family with my wife.
yeah,
We do like content which depend on family. It's a really amazing and unique video. We are from Rwanda. We are currently here in Kenya just for content.
yeah,
Yeah,
just for content.
yeah, because we are YouTuber.
Yeah,
Yeah,
sure.
we've been doing YouTube for 2 years. We are full-time YouTuber, so we sometimes traveling from our country to another country to experience like the culture, and then like learn more from other YouTubers what they have. So this is why we are, this is our second month here. Yeah.
Second and some few days.
Yeah, second and some few days.
Yeah.
Sure.
So this is Luca, the family, and he also has other channel is called Luca's World.
Yeah.
So you can check him out there. Yeah. So kindly subscribe to his channel. A great guy, by the way. I can say it's not that I'm trying to put him like his, or to, how can I say this, guys, like trying to polish his name, but for sure the only person that I've seen very humble, very quiet, doing his own things is the one. And even the friends that I work with, they told me like, hey, look at the family, that guy is on just his level, he's doing his own things.
You know what you don't know about here?
Yeah,
I'm almost I'm quite older than all of you guys YouTubers, but you
Yeah.
don't know.
Yes.
You
No,
know?
for me, I know.
Yeah.
I know,
And
I
when
think.
you have a family,
Yeah.
you know how to deal with people.
Yeah.
So, and I don't need to have any problem with anyone. You know,
Yeah.
here you came and they see there is a team, but for me, I need to collaborate with anyone
Yeah,
and be friend
anyone,
with
yeah.
anyone, because I feel like when I'm not here, like after 20 years, my kid will meet with your kid, or like this is
Yeah.
what I think.
Yeah, sure.
So it's better to be friend with anyone,
Mhm.
and then if someone need help, you can
yeah.
help. So,
Yeah. I really appreciate you, brother. You are really a good person. I can say, okay, from me, guys, I can say he has been a great friend, and we have always conversed. We have always done videos, and everything is always there for anyone.
And thank you for supporting my channel, because the first
Always,
video we did about my solo channel, it was with you. You are the first person I hosted.
Yeah,
and
guys.
it's doing really amazing.
Wow,
Yeah.
guys, thank you so much for supporting this guy. Keep on supporting him. I really like the way he's connecting with everyone. That is the spirit.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. So we need to connect with everyone.
Yeah, sure.
So I'm coming back to you. So let Pope the light. Yes, Pope.
Always
Yeah.
Pope Africa here. Now Majake is like my channel because I've been appearing to almost every video that we
But
do.
why?
Except
the people from his channel, they don't come to your channel.
They come.
You should
They
you
come.
should come subscribe and
Yeah, they
tell
are
me
there.
you're from Maja_KE guys.
Yeah.
Because I've been watching him struggling with monetization for a long time.
Sure.
Yeah, I think the
I'm
reason.
really even sad for that.
Yeah, the reason is, Pope is not posting videos. Like me, I haven't been posting for like 3 to 4 days.
Yeah.
Right now, I've not been posting. And if you don't post videos every day, not like us, we were used to post like every single day, almost daily. So Pope is not posting daily.
No, like I can skip one, or exactly when I skip one, next day I upload.
At least you can post like 5 videos in a week.
Yeah, sure.
It's not bad.
Yeah, so I think my people like it when you post daily, every single.
But they should do that
day,
because there is other lady I saw from our neighbor. She has 2 channels and she posts like on 2 channels
daily.
Exactly.
But for you have to handle 1 channel. You have to do that.
And
because for
maybe if you have some like you're sick or you have some issues to deal with, like for me, I haven't been posting for the days that I haven't been posting because of a reason. I have my own reasons, and I think right now they are sorted, and coming back like fire, like never before.
Coming back like you never left.
I never left, guys. So my people, keep on tuned at Maja_KE, road to 10,000. We are going there, guys, I believe. And so today we are going to ask our brother here, who is your favorite YouTuber, especially here in nyabohanse?
In nyabohanse?
Yes. You can say, let me give you 3. You give us 3. Or let's go to 5. 5 YouTubers that are your favorite.
In nyabohanse?
Yeah.
Hey, you're going to put me in the tricks.
No. You just,
because
it's your own opinion. Yeah.
Most of the YouTubers here, they are doing like, they have like almost the same content.
Yeah.
What is like before I used to watch Maja, you and the Malwa and who else? Before I've been watching your video in Uganda with Ginyada and so I could say you and the Malwa and the Nasto, because they are the one I used to watch like daily.
Wow.
Without like.
No, don't say it because you are here on my channel.
No, it's real because before I used to watch Marwa and you only.
Okay.
The day there is a time they were constructing Anna's house.
Yeah.
Mark was starting to like sharing Nastor's video, and then I starting watching him.
Yeah.
Others I starting watching others like after. So that's why I can say you and the Nastor and the Maro.
Wow.
Yeah.
So we have 3 from the village.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we have Maro. A big shout out to our big brother.
Yeah.
And by the way, we are very sorry for you, brother. He's in Nairobi, and the time he was in Nairobi, her wife, is it the correct English?
Her fiance.
Her fiance
Yeah.
was robbed, and that was very bad. But we are used to Nairobi, you know, people like us.
Even for me, I was planning to go to Nairobi, but I stepped my foot back.
No.
Think about that.
No, you know, Nairobi, you have to be like very careful.
Because
you have to set your mind where you are going. There are places that they are very safe. Like I can say Karen, Runda, Kilimani. They are very safe.
But for me, I need to go there for
the whole.
Because
so you have to be safe.
I need to explore like whole Nairobi before going to Mombasa.
Yeah,
I need to have.
But
like
you know, actually, when you put your bag like this, like the way you have put it, they won't steal from you, because when you do, they will go with.
Okay.
Yeah. But when you put it like one hand this way, they can easily snatch it from you.
Okay.
But I'm very sorry, our big brother, and I can say our mentor. I'm very sorry for your fiance, and I really believe the police or the authority they're working. Yeah, he will be caught very soon. Yeah. I'm very sorry, brother, and a big up to you. Blessed, and that is what happens in Nairobi. We also there are a lot of people who have lost phones being stolen, but it's I don't think it's only in Kenya. Yeah. In Rwanda,
no, in Rwanda we don't have those kind of cases, but we used to. Like in 2008, it used to be hard, but now
very clean.
It's very clean.
So you say Rwanda, no thieves at all?
Yeah, but not like those kind.
Oh.
On public, it cannot happen.
Okay.
But the Africans, you know.
Yeah, Nairobi
they
is
can
very.
steal from the bars, you know.
Yeah.
But it's not like hard that way.
Yeah. But anyway.
But there is a time you can deal with that. Sometime. There is a time I flew from India to Uganda, and they told me in Uganda they will steal your phone. I've been there for 8 months. I never had any of those kind of cases.
Yeah.
And you know, Kampala is crazy too.
Yeah, very crazy.
Yeah.
But you know, even me, I believe.
Sometimes it's happen, it's accident.
Yeah, accident. It's once. Like they do it once in a while. Once in a while. So it's not a matter of like every single day they do it. It's once in a while. So when they get that opportunity, they use it. But I think this guy who stole from Rocio, this is the fourth. They say a thief has 40 days. Yeah.
This is the last day.
This is the last day.
Yeah.
And we will catch you.
Soon.
Yeah, very soon we will catch you. So sorry for our brother and sister. Keep on pushing. I know Maro is very strong and a hard worker.
No, for him it's
hard worker. Yeah. So we go to Pope.
Yes.
Who is your favorite YouTuber in our village? This is purely in our village, not in.
Okay. Yeah. Actually, I've been watching a lot of YouTubers here and international YouTubers, of course.
Yeah.
And some of international YouTubers have been really inspiring me, and also some of our YouTubers here in the village have been really inspiring me. And actually, I have the most favorite and the worst here in the village, but I can't tell about the worst. I can't tell about the worst YouTubers. But okay, the worst YouTubers, I can talk just little about the worst YouTubers because they are somehow choosy. You can't do a collab with them because they are small. So to me, I feel demoralized when I come to someone and tell me that I can't do with your collabo. I feel that. You know, I feel bad. I feel actually bad. I feel like I'm not worth but to my favorite ones, always. I have two.
We have 5, so you can say.
Okay.
Yeah.
But may have two to an extent of maybe 3. I just have 3. It can't exceed 3.
Yeah.
Okay. First, I have you, Maja, because you're the first person I've been. Okay, you've given me.
You know what I want. Don't say it because I'm here or you are in my channel.
You know the goodness with me. I always talk about the reality. You know, and people can tell actually. I've been appearing to your channel for like when you compare in your channel and whoever's channel, I've been appearing to your channel for a lot of almost every videos actually. And I also have a brother Nasto. Yeah, I have you and Nasto actually because you were the one who've been pushing me. Yeah, and my sister Ginyata. Yeah, my sister Ginyata. When he comes in the village, he usually come check on me. He advised me on some little things that I should do so that I can pull my channel up.
No, you know, now you're going out of the village.
Oh,
we are saying in the village.
Okay, yeah. I've said Maja, I've said Nasto, and Maro, of course.
Yeah.
Because I really didn't want to say Maro because right now it's not in the village.
The village YouTubers, you know, Maro is one of our village YouTubers.
He's the founder.
He's
the founder.
Actually.
So
the founder,
we are not
actually.
what I'm trying to do is not that I'm trying to is just a video of the village, Nyabohanse village. Yeah, not you are trying to understand me.
Yeah.
Like the village.
Yeah,
the village. So I really appreciate Genyada because I don't even have words to explain towards Genyada. She's an amazing, strong lady that is determined, and she has the, I don't know what I can say, but big up to you, my sister, and wherever you are, may God bless you abundantly, because if it was not even for you, I could not have this big heart that keeps on pushing and supporting. And of course, I am Marwa Genyada. Big up wherever you are, may God bless you abundantly. Peace and love. I really love you from the bottom of my heart. I really respect and love you. Keep it on, the hard work and pushing on. You told me that keep on pushing on. Yeah, thank you so much, Genyada. Also, may God bless you abundantly wherever you are, and I believe you are coming soon. Yes, so you were saying?
So I was saying I have you, I have Naso, one of the, we always meet, we always talk now with Naso, and I think
we're always like
together because we are just neighbors. We meet each other every now and then, and we always blend each other. We always blend actually. So he has been my mentor, you have been my mentor also, and of course Maro is over everyone.
Sure. Of course.
Over everyone, because he's the one who brought the platform here. He showed people how to do it, so he's over. He's the overall captain.
Overall. Yeah. So guys, yes, today that was what we are talking about. Maybe you can take a walk. And how has been Nyabohanse, especially to you? I think because of light.
Nyabohanse is good because you know the first time I came in Kenya, I wasn't even I can do the video in English. Because I used to do a video in local language called Kinyarwanda. So you know, my Nyabohanse helped me to transform my channel from Kinyarwanda into English, so that's the good thing. And I've been receiving many people from around, and the people here are very friendly. You know, in the village, people, they still have the heart. It's not like people from the city.
Yeah.
People here, they are good. Only one question, only one problem I face here. For those guys, all the people who selling, they are overchargers when they found out you don't speak
You
Swahili.
don't speak
But
Swahili or...
in general, Nyabohanse is good for us.
Yeah.
That's why we stay for long. You know, when we came, the idea was to stay here for only 3 weeks.
Yeah.
And then we decided to like stay, like to extend our stay. That's why I say Nyabohanse for us is good. And then wherever I go, I will feel like Nyabohanse is the place that helped me to achieve my goals. Because in my country I used to make money on channel, but like no vision, like money to eat and then sleep, pay house. But when you come here, you can make money that can change your life.
Yeah.
And I get many people from here, you know. Here, audience here, they can reach you out, even support you like dialect, not like in the comments.
Yeah.
It's really good.
Yeah. And the weather here, is it favorable for you?
Yeah, for now it's good. It's when we came,
Yeah.
it was too hot, but now.
Yeah, guys, you
Now
can
it's
see the weather right now. It's very rainy.
Yeah.
You know this? What is called? This one.
I don't know how to call it in English, but I know.
You know it?
Yeah, I know it.
In our language, you call it ikerembwe. Yes, ikerembwe. So yeah. So
Toads
Todd.
in English. I
Yeah.
think it's a toad.
Yeah. You should check it in. You see, when it's out of water, it can't.
Yeah, it's
Like,
nice,
yeah.
it's-
Yeah. So yeah, let's go. So the weather for you, it's favorable here in the village.
And the food is almost same.
Yeah.
The difference is just cooking style. So, and we cook ourselves because we are family, we are not going to forest. For me, I don't like restaurant.
Yeah.
So when you cook, it's same food you can cook from our country.
Yeah.
Because we are in East Africa, most of like stuff is almost the same. Yeah.
Yeah. So Rwanda and Kenya, we can say the food is almost the same, not the same.
Yeah, because there is some stuff we have we don't have in our country.
Yeah.
Like sukuma wiki.
You don't have sukuma wiki?
Yeah.
Yeah, we have a big
There is
shamba
a
here.
type of veg we eat in our country. We call it, it's a green veg. Margaret told us here you call it like a last option. Yeah, here it's for the poor people, but in our country, we call it health.
Yeah, by the
Somehow, but all the same. Except like
How do you call it in English?
I don't know. No,
How does it look like
Last
when you
option.
cook?
it's a green.
I think it's sukuma wiki.
No, it's
That
not
is-
sukuma wiki. If you saw our video we did with Jamaican uncle, the day we cook from the villa, we eat with fried dumpling with those veg. He was the one who prepared it.
Oh,
Yeah.
Jamaican uncle.
Jamaican uncle.
Big up to you.
Yeah.
Yeah, big up to you,
Yeah,
Jamaican
because he
uncle.
liked
yeah.
cooking, and then my wife always cooking. So
Yeah.
when they meet, they do like cooking competition, Jamaican and African.
Even me,
They
you know,
always do a video. Even yesterday, even every time Jamaican uncle reach out to us, say, let's cook this. Like, and my wife always loved it. Even me, I love to cook.
even me, but not ugali. But when it comes to veggies, guys, what you don't know about me, when it comes to veggies,
And the different we have here in Kenya, you can eat like ugali many times. But in Rwanda, we can eat like all the food, but when we eat this food, it takes like another week to eat again. It's not, we just change the food.
oh, you know, also in Uganda, I noticed like it's hard for you to get ugali. So if you ask for
They
maybe
have
fish,
what you call kaunga,
they call it posho.
posho.
When you get ugali posho,
Yeah.
so it is like when you ask for fish in a restaurant, you have brought fish and chips, fish and something else. But ugali, it's very hard,
That
especially
ugali
in,
from here, it's not.
yeah,
too far.
yeah. So the posho is like, you know, we had
Why,
to
you
go.
don't like your posho?
Posho, it's not like the ugali here. You know, the ugali here is very hard. You do
Hard.
like this.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
You know, even in Rwanda we eat ugali from cassava. It's softer than that
yeah.
posho.
Yeah. So
But we don't like, we eat it like once in a week, once in a like that.
yeah, it's always like that. Also, as we eat it once in a week, especially when we cook the. It's called what is mrenda in English? Mrenda.
I really don't know the name, but
Mrenda, but I know.
You know mrenda?
I know.
What is it in
the
English?
slippery one.
Yeah, I know.
What is it in English?
I don't know how
Like-
to call it because in Rwanda we don't have it. I used to eat it when I was in India.
Yeah.
Yeah, they
They
know.
also take Miranda.
But they know how to cook it.
Yeah,
very
it's like
well.
bolgam.
Indian.
when you- yeah.
When you eat it from India, you never eat it from. They don't even like this when they cook it. I don't know how they manage it, but it's good.
Wow.
Sure.
Yeah.
Wow.
Because India, it's all the food. Their food, it's medicine. They know how to cook each every.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, of course. Also, I
they can
know.
treat them without like the hospital.
By
Yeah.
taking vegetable and
Because
they
I
know what
remember-
kind of the vegetable they can use to eat.
Yeah, I remember even India is where you can even get treated cancer.
Yeah.
And, yeah.
Yeah.
So they
And
treat
you
everything.
know, the seasoning they cook with, all it's about medicine.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, sure. So I wish I should. I go to India someday.
For me, my plan, I'll go to India soon.
Sure.
After Nairobi and Mombasa, my next destination will be in Asia.
Wow, that is so
India, Philippines, and Thailand, and Indonesia.
Wow.
My plan.
nice. Wow. Wow. So have you ever been in Mombasa?
Never.
I know Nairobi. You have been there.
Never. I just come from my country direct to here, to the village.
You have not been to Nairobi?
Never. That's why I
Really?
say I need to move. At least know about Kenya.
Where was your last stop from Rwanda?
From Rwanda, we came direct to Kampala. From Kampala to Kisumu.
Oh.
Yeah.
So
From
I
Kisumu to
should
here.
take you to Nairobi.
Yeah, better.
I know the streets
Yeah.
in Nairobi.
But for me, I need to go to Nairobi, have a house like for 2 months. I can explore all Nairobi
Yeah.
before moving it on. For me, I don't like those kind of traveling. You go to the place only 1 day, 3 days going to another place.
Yeah,
It's
yeah.
not for me. I have a family. I cannot deal with moving around. At least 1 month in the place and then move to another place.
Yeah, sure. To explore more and to know more.
Yeah, because
Yeah.
Nairobi has a lot of content.
Yeah, a lot of content, a lot of them, but especially to the ghetto places.
Yeah.
To the ghetto places, but it's very dangerous
Yeah.
when
You need someone
you
to
are
help
alone.
you.
Yeah. You need someone. You can go to the ghettos like you are like 4 of us or 5 or more. Yeah, especially when you're holding this camera.
Yeah, when you walk holding camera, they feel like you have a money.
Yeah, they feel like, you know, we have some people in Nairobi like they are like this guy is filming us. You know, like right now, the people coming from in front here, they can say we are filming them, but we are.
Oh, they attack you.
Yeah, so they say, why are you doing this? Why are you filming us? You know, so they can attack you easily.
They
Like-
don't even know you're filming yourself.
Yeah. So they see from here, they say, this guy is filming us. you
Yeah.
know. So, okay, guys, that is it. We'll be walking around our village and get to know their favorite YouTubers in Nyabohanse village. And this is, it was purely about Nyabohanse people. Who is their favorite YouTubers? It's I don't know how I can say this. It's not like I'm trying to push others away, but that will be coming. It's like an episode, looking for a wife.
Yeah.
It's just an episode, so we have that in Nyabohanse village. So guys, this is our village. This is how it looks like. Yes. Yeah, if you're new here, you don't know nyabohanse, this is it, guys, and we really love nyabohanse because of everything. And I hope you enjoy your stay here.
Yeah, I'm enjoying.
Yeah, so much. So guys, let's go and see what people think. Yeah, okay guys, we're here with Chef Matiko's sister, and big up to Chef Matiko. If you're watching here, you haven't subscribed to Chef Matiko, kindly subscribe. And we are here to ask, we have like 5 village, your favorite village YouTubers in this village, Nyabohanse village. Yeah, specific in Nyabohanse village. Yeah, who is your, we have 5, so tell us 5. What's your name first?
Okay, my name is Wayne Robin. First YouTuber I know is Mara.
Favorite? Not?
Mara, Chef Matiko, Maja, Nasto, and Mayugu.
And Mayugu.
Yeah.
So you have 4 favorite. So guys, that is the favorite YouTubers that she has in our village, specifically in our village. Yeah, we were asking for 5, she gave us 4. That is Mara, Mayugno, Nasto, and Maji. Who else? Chef Matiko. And Chef Matiko. So big up to Chef Matiko, and I hope you're doing well.
Yes.
Yeah. So this is
This is the hotel for Ma, and that is my business.
oh, this one.
Yeah.
You're selling clothes second hand.
Second hand clothes.
Yeah. Hey, for ladies.
For ladies only.
Yeah. Hey.
For ladies.
Yeah. So you should bring for men also, so that you can also buy from here. Yeah. So thank you so much for your time. Yeah. Peace and love. It's called. This place is called.
Not yet. We have not mentioned the name.
You should have a name, so that when you know you can get someone maybe at the border or Migori, he calls you like where best I can go and take food or porridge, or yeah, so you can tell him go to, you know, explaining like go to the stage, then on your left. It's very hard, so you have to give us a name.
Very soon I'm going to write the name.
Yeah.
Wayne's Collection and Chef
Yeah.
Matiko Kef.
Yeah, Wayne's Collection and Wayne's Matiko's
Kef.
Cafe. Wayne's Matiko.
Yeah.
Wayne's Matiko's Cafe and Wayne's Collection.
Yeah.
Yeah. So guys, if you come to Nyabohanse, it's just located at the stage. Yeah. When you reach at the stage from Migori, on your right, yes. From the border on your left, you'll see the shops around here. So thank you so much for your time.
Thank you also.
Okay. So guys, let's go. Yeah, so guys, I'm also going to ask my mom about the same question. The favorite YouTubers from Nyabohanse village. 5 of them favorite YouTubers from Nyabohanse village. So this is my mom closing the shop here. This is her shop, Mabson's Hardware, guys. Yeah, mom. Who are your favorite 5 YouTubers from the village, Nyabohanse?
Yes, you know one of them is you, number 1.
Who is me?
Maja. Number 2, Village Grandpa.
Wow. I don't say about your family.
Those are my favorites.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
So you don't have to choose for me.
Yes.
I am Mara, Nasto, and Mayugu.
Those are 4.
There are 4.
Me, Nasto, Mayugno, Maro,
Grandpa.
and Village Grandpa. Hey, you're the only one who have said 5 of them. 5 of them. So big up to my mama here. And if you come to Nyabohanse and you need cement and everything, you guys know. You guys know the tingo. Yeah. Today I've said the tingo. Yeah, you guys know it. You can come and shop here. Cement and everything, mabati. You can order anything from Village Grandma.
Yes, I have everything.
And also, maybe my mom can say support Maria kid.
Yes. Support Maria _K in Instagram.
Yeah.
Yes.
So guys, Kid Maria will be.
Kid Maria will be live on Saturday.
Wow.
So welcome.
Yes. Yeah. So guys, even my mom knows Kid Maria will be live on Instagram. Yeah, on Saturday. So guys, you guys join and support Kid Maria in everything that she will be talking or doing. Yeah, and I learned something from Maria just yesterday. She can do something very amazing. I was really like shocked. She can go 180, like, hey, 180.
Yes.
So guys, you will be seeing that on her channel on Instagram. So kindly be there and watch Kid Maria. Yeah, thank you, peace. Thank you, mom.
Welcome.
Okay.
Unajua hata mimi
Guys, we are walking and we are trying to find some people who can tell us their favorite. I think this way it's a lot of it's a lot of light, so we ask people the question. We buga
Village Buga.
namna gani?
Namna this.
Uko fit?
Niko bie.
Where are you from?
I'm from buying fuel.
Yeah, I think this way the light is good. This way. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm from buying fuel.
Yeah.
We are short of electricity. So I'm just preparing myself for the sake of the business.
Yeah, maybe we can talk to you. Do you have maybe some time we can talk somewhere?
No big deal, man. As
Yes.
long as it's not.
Yeah, we can, no big deal, small deal. Yeah, so guys, we just found this friend here who we can talk about. We want to talk about YouTubers in Nyabohanse. How many YouTubers do you know in Nyabohanse?
There's so many.
Village.
There's so many. There's so many.
Yeah.
We have Village Grandpa. We have Marwa. We have Nyangi 254. We have Mapopo. We have Mayugna. We have Nasto. We have so many etc.
etc. Yeah, guys, this you can tell this is one of the viewers of our channels, not our channels, the channels of Nyabohanse village YouTubers. And what do you think about the YouTubers in our village?
Actually, YouTube has great impact in our society, more so in the village of Nyabohanse, because it has brought some developments.
Yeah.
It goes without mentioning a few, some but a few, like boys have developed themselves.
Yeah.
They have got somewhere to shelter themselves.
Yeah.
They have got something to make them move from one place to another, and so much more.
Yeah.
On top of that, YouTube has made some boys to be known countrywide, or rather East Africa.
Yeah.
So YouTube has great impact in our boys within the locality of Nyabohanse.
Wow.
Yes.
Wow. So guys, this is one of our friends here in the village, especially me. He's one of my greatest friend. He's called Buga mwenyewe. Yeah, he calls me Buga when we meet.
Yeah.
And I really appreciate you for watching us. Do you watch us?
Much more.
Yeah, thank you.
And
thank
I
you.
usually follow your channels, and then sometimes I do comment, but not much, because I usually read the comment that they usually comment negativity, positivity. All in all, it's life.
Yeah, it's
you know, you can't have the positive part of life all through. You must have also the negative part of it.
Yeah.
And what I say is, the positive part should not take it so much. Just go for the negative part so that you build yourself. Yes.
Yeah. Guys, you have heard from him, one of our viewers here in our village, Nyabohanse. So the question goes, apart from the village Buga, or rather Maja _KE, who are your favorite 5 YouTubers from our village? And we are not doing this like negatively from our village. Have someone here. Don't go. Yeah.
Don't go.
Mrife. So we are not doing it just for Nyabohanse. You know, you start step by step. It's like episodes. So we are starting from Nyabohanse. Who is your favorite YouTuber?
My
5
first
YouTubers. 5 from Nyabohanse.
Because you
Apart
say
from
I should not
me.
mention Maja _.
Yeah.
Let me say, I was to mention him, but because he has told me not to mention, I rather keep him aside.
Yeah.
I'll go by saying the first person is Marwa,
Yeah.
because
Thank you
he's
so
a
much.
person that has impacted us so much positively.
Yeah.
So I like following his channel. I like following the project that he's doing.
Yeah.
So that's the first person. The second person, there's someone is called Mayugna.
Yeah.
He has so many clips. He has very amazing clips. You can't go without laughing when you are watching the clips and so forth, and those videos. They're so much amazing. The third person, I must say, he's, I don't know whether you call him a reactor. I don't know whether it's a reactor or who, but it's Chalo or Nasto. I usually follow the comments that he's making, because whenever he attacks someone on social media, he's developing you positively. Or rather, he's thinking that he's maybe attacking you in a negative way, but if you take it positive, then you're gonna develop yourself. So the fourth person, we have Village. Oh, you told me not to mention Village Buga. We have Grandpa.
Village Grandpa.
Village Grandpa.
Yeah.
He's a dad that knows what he's doing. He's a dad that is using the YouTube channel to bring a positive impact to the village. So I usually follow his channels. I usually follow his videos very much, because he inspires the boys, he inspires the young boys in a positive way. There are so many.
Yeah. But you said
we have
5.
also, oh, you said 5.
Yes. Now we have 4.
4. There is, I don't know the name that he's using in the, I've forgotten the name that he's using in
You
the
can
channel.
tell the name.
I knew him from the childhood, like Matthew.
Oh,
Nasto.
talking about
You said Nasto here. I remember when we were
Exactly.
talking, you said Nasto. It's Nasto.
You told me not to mention Nasto, didn't you?
I told you not.
Oh, Village
apart
Buga.
from the Village Buga.
Okay, also Nasto, because I usually follow those who bring a positive impact to the society.
Yeah.
Or maybe those that comments negativity, I usually follow, maybe to know what's going on the other side, so that you may rectify.
Yeah.
I think I've mentioned the 5.
Yes. So guys, that was it from our friend here. He's
They call
going
me
to
the
business.
manager.
The manager.
Yeah.
Yeah. I call him not the. I call you the manager.
He called me the only manager.
The only manager
by
in
the
town.
name, but not by the pocket.
Yeah. Yeah. So you can see he's our manager here in town.
Club Vegas.
Not a hotel.
It's there too. They're both combined, but
Yeah.
also it's a hotel.
Restaurant. Yeah.
It's actually a restaurant.
Yeah.
combined.
Yeah. Yeah, so he's here with
Fuel.
Fuel.
Due
So
to-
yeah,
Electricity outrage.
Yeah.
So we have to put
by the
ourselves.
electricity is very bad here in our village, but we are still trying to tell you guys, help us with electricity and also the internet, especially the internet and electricity will really help us in our village, Nyabohanse village. So from the village Buga, thank you so much for your time.
Thank you so
I know
much.
you have a lot of things to do, but
Yeah.
you took your time to talk to us, and peace, positive vibes all the way. Nyabohanse to
Peace,
the world.
peace.
Yeah, Nyabohanse to the world. Thank you so much. Yeah, keep on supporting. Yes, so also we have, hey,
One and only, eh?
yes, one and only.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
So wherever you are, positive people, fantastic. It's underscore Gintu, one-on-one from Nyabohanse.
Hey, this guy is very tall, so we have, yes.
You have to squeeze it or you have to pull it.
Yes, to pull it.
Oh, exactly.
Yes.
So wherever you are, guys, it's underscore Gintu here, and I was bypassing to see if the street foods are always cooked here. But
Mutura African village.
due to
society
the conditional
disappointed.
circumstances of I don't know if it's the rain or what's called mtaji.
Inca.
The income is gone. Eh? So I don't know what's
But the
happening.
time
so,
is not yet. It's
the time is
around-
the
it's
time
4.
is now, bro. It's around the 6.
It's 6, yes,
Yeah.
it's
So
6,
this is the time. So I've missed it. So I'm gonna go for maybe biscuits. So everything is very possible, guys. And for the ones who are watching us always, we have a small tragedy that happened to Ayamoro there due to a flood attack. So we have the land is collapsing a little bit, but we have to fix it. So that's what is trending onto Ayamaro site right now, and everything are just very possible. So let's groove together as a team, so as we can make it once and for all.
Yes.
And also, guys, I'm gonna be talking about. Thank you very much, Maja KE, for hosting me onto your channel. I look somehow dirty, but I'm from work.
Yeah,
you know?
yeah.
So that's how things are working outside.
If you don't
here.
work, you don't eat.
It's
Yes.
called No work, no eating.
No work.
That
no
is it.
eating, yeah.
So that's how things are running, guys. Thank you very much, Maja, for your hospitality of holding me onto your channel. And this is one-on-one live from Nyabohanse Center.
Yeah.
And this is gonna be the fantastic time ever possible.
Yes.
Visit us at our I am Villa.
Yes.
I am Maro,
Villa
not my
Medellin.
villa.
It's not your villa. yeah.
But whenever the pussycat is out, always the rats take over the game.
So you are taking over.
But
Jeff
it will never be
Yes.
ours.
Yeah,
it will never
yeah.
be ours. But we are taking over to see, oversee how
Everything
things
is,
are running.
very fine,
So because
you know,
everyone has his own talk about the segment he has been placed or she has been placed.
Yeah.
Like I am in terms of fisheries, and talk about Mugesi is about horses and rabbits. There's a manager who is responsible for the house. We have Masubo is now assistant manager. Gitiriba is now supervisor. So everybody was aligned with the duties.
Yeah.
So that's how things are performed.
Yeah.
Oh, that's Pablo KE.
Yeah.
Things are more fantastic, guys. So keep it watching. We are positive vibes always. Keep it locked.
Peace and love. No.
Exactly.
Now,
Yeah.
we have a question here.
Exactly.
It's like an episode. I don't say it's it's kind of an episode.
Which
Like you are
series?
asking.
Series what now?
Series 1.
Series 1.
Series 1.
Episode?
Of Nyabohanse village.
Exactly. That's not telenovela or shenanigans.
This now is coming with a new design. You guys will know what it is.
Bring it up.
So,
Bring it up.
you know, this is our village, Nyabohanse. We have a lot of YouTubers.
Exactly.
We are talking about Nyabohanse. This episode is all about Nyabohanse
Nyabohanse.
YouTubers.
Exactly.
Nyabohanse YouTubers, not the
Nyabohanse.
people who have come to Nyabohanse.
Fantastic.
Nyabohanse YouTubers.
Exactly.
I want you to give us 5, not best, 5 favorite YouTubers.
Favorite?
Yeah.
Always people who are
Mention.
just positive tomorrow are always their favorite. Always.
You can say them 5.
There are people
5.
that you're motivated.
Yeah, you are motivated
watching their
while watching the
videos,
video.
their vlogs.
Exactly. I can start with let's talk about
And put me out of
the
the
game.
picture. Yeah.
Okay. Let me start with Mabere Musa.
Yes.
Sure.
Sure. Big up to Mabere Musa.
Exactly. We have Mabere Musa, positive vibes always.
Yeah.
And he's a good-hearted guy, and always keeping a company with Nasto, taking Nasto to another level, because sharing is going to a positive way. So everybody has his own route, you know. So Mabere always has Nasto. So the next one is Nasto always. So thank you. Nasto has a good vibe, always encouraging people, on even inspiration on how he has just reached and how things are running.
Yes.
Because he has a house that's motivating to other people who are just outside here to construct even like him, or even not like him, perform more better than him. You know. So
big up to our brother Nasto.
Exactly. Then the third person, we have Ben here.
Sure.
Exactly. Ben?
I changed my name. I'm Pope Africa.
Pope Africa. This is Pope Africa now.
No, I used to
now
call
you're
myself
becoming like Masupa now.
Ben. I used to call myself Ben_Julius, but I got some advice from people. From people that have been watching me and telling me that they have been looking for Ben_Julius,
And it's
the
not,
list
the
is
list
very
is
long.
long.
So she actually told me to change my name to be to find a unique name.
She told her, thank you very much.
Yeah.
We got you. So we have Ben here. So you are talking about now
Pope Africa.
Pope Africa. Hey. So that's how we have, this is the third one. So the fourth one, we have Gake, which is Masubo.
Gake.
Yeah, Gek. Or Gake.
Gake. Yes.
Can talk about is just a,
You know,
he's a good
Gake
guy
is
always.
like, in our language, Gake is
Auntie.
auntie.
Yeah, exactly.
Yes. So, but it's Gake.
Yeah, Gake.
Gake.
So-
Gake also is a small person.
Yeah, the small person ever.
So, yeah.
So he's always now he's acting as an assistant manager at the Villa right now,
Yes.
and things are more possible running out from that side. Also, we have village uncle. Is it village uncle?
Jamaican.
No. The father to you.
Village grandpa.
Village grandpa.
Yes.
Exactly, village grandpa. We have him, so he's inspirational to older people that even you cannot just say that you are chasing the ages, but even the age has no limit. You can do anything, you know. So it's always inspiring some people who are just outside here. So as the age is not the limit, you know. And also that's number 5. So you want me to add
5? No. Enough. Enough of that. So thank you so much.
And also I was about to forget because you know, whenever you are served food, you start with yourself. So Gintu is there also.
Yes.
But you can even
you are here. You are here. We are talking about the people.
But he can
favorite.
Sure,
I am a positive vibe always.
Positive vibe.
Exactly.
Yeah, peace.
Where now the niggas are
So
the two black nigga in front.
Yes.
It's 3 man, not 2. No. The other one is odd one out. Now we can talk about now the Jamaican
uncle is here.
Yeah, man, right here, man. What's up? Morgan Chronicle.
Yes, how are you, bro? Yes, and my uncle here from Jamaica.
Right here, man. Right here, man.
How are you?
I'm good. I'm good, man. I'm good.
Yes.
Looking at the bigger man, the bigger boss.
Yeah. How you say hi to my family, uncle?
Well, I want to say hi to your great family, and this is Jamaican uncle.
Yes.
And I want to tell you guys, I love you all. I love Africa so much.
Yes.
Man, I should be here like 100 years ago.
Yes. 100 years, you're welcome. I will give you land for free.
Exactly. I love it, man.
Yeah,
And
you're from shopping.
Yeah, man.
Hey, now you know how to shop.
Yeah, man, I shop, man. Buy fish and tomato, we're going to cook.
Wow.
Yeah,
you really know how to cook. I'm seeing your videos and
man,
I'll come to challenge you.
You gonna challenge me?
Yeah, I'm gonna challenge you. I'm very good cook, but not to gali, the veggies.
Yes.
I'm a very good cook.
Okay.
Yeah.
You gali?
No gali, but veggies.
You know how to cook ugali?
No. I know how to cook dumpling.
Yeah. So guys, if you're from my end, you haven't checked on Jamaican uncle, kindly go check him out.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. Peace and love.
Peace and love, man.
Yeah. How is your stay in our village?
Man, I'm telling you.
Yeah.
From I have been having vacation.
Yeah.
This is the best one I ever have.
Wow.
The best
so
one
nice.
I ever have, man.
You should meet village grandpa. You should do a content.
Yes, I want to go there one day, man.
We want to get the minds of you guys and village grandpa.
Exactly. I tell my subo say one day they have to take me there.
Yeah.
I want to have some serious talk with me.
Yeah,
I
sure.
usually watch him, you know.
Yeah.
I subscribe to him too.
Yeah, thank
I
you.
subscribe to everybody.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
I would love to meet him and I would have a chat.
Wow. So guys, if you haven't checked on Jamaican uncle, kindly go check him out, subscribe and say Maja_KE. The village Buga sent you to subscribe to Jamaican uncle.
Uncle. Yeah, man.
Please.
Yeah, man. Respect. Enough love too.
Wow.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, thank you so much,
Yeah,
uncle.
man, you're welcome.
So, and also you have a friend here from...
Oh, yeah.
Hey. Yeah.
Yeah.
Come say hi. Yes. Yeah.
What's up, man?
Pablo.
Everything good?
Doing good, man.
Yes.
You good?
I'm good, man.
Long time no see.
I'm telling you, man.
Yeah.
I'm so busy, man. They have me all over the place. Every day I have to make collaboration with people and all them things there. So I think today I didn't watch like about 3 or 4 already. Okay. Yeah, man.
Wow.
So they have me busy, real busy.
True.
Yeah.
So in this village of Nyabohanse, this is the center.
Oh, this is the center. Okay.
Yeah,
So
sure.
when you want to have fun, you have to come right here, sir. Yes, I like it.
Pablo_KE.
Yes.
And go check out Pablo_KE. In the road to success, and also go check at
Jamaican uncle. Yeah, man.
Morgan.
Yeah, Morgan, you haven't spoken. Yeah.
Morgan, which is my son.
Yes.
He's my son, this man.
Yeah.
He makes sure to take good care of me, you know?
Yeah.
I love it.
What's up, me people? Morgan Chronicle. Thank you so much.
Hey, Chronicles. You know the Chronicles?
No, Chronicle.
Chronicle.
Not Chronicles.
Chronicle.
Chronicle.
Yeah.
Thank you so much hosting me on your channel.
Yeah, you're most
pleasure.
welcome.
Because I remember last time I was there.
Yeah.
The first time those were the first days we came here.
Yeah, sure.
And yeah man, I appreciate so much.
Yeah,
Go
and
check me out. I have a YouTube channel called Morgan Chronicle, the same thing. Yes, man.
Yeah, guys, if
Appreciate.
you're from my end, kindly support our brother here, Road to Success. And we have talked that we have to meet, but you are lost. You said you'll come to my home, you didn't come.
I mean, like, I don't know your home, you haven't even come back.
Oh, it's just near here. I was not around. I was moving around here and there, and I'm not posting nowadays. I have like 4 days.
What happened?
I was not feeling well. I had some issues, but right now we are okay. We are back. Like,
Guess what? Me too, I haven't like been posting for a whole week. Now since I'm now motivated, you know what happened.
Yeah.
Now I'm posting daily now.
Yes,
Yeah, you know.
that is the spirit and road to success.
Road to success.
Yeah, I hope you'll come at home and my uncle here from Jamaica.
I want to.
Yeah.
Plan it. You have talked to uncle.
Yeah.
We plan it and then we come.
And I was calling your phone. It's not going.
My phone?
Yeah.
You have my number?
Yeah, you gave it to
I
me
gave
the
it to
last
you, yeah.
time. Yeah.
No. I gave you my Kenyan number.
No.
My Rwandese number.
Yeah.
You can call me on WhatsApp.
Okay.
Let me put it on.
Okay, thank you. Thank you. So guys, we just met our friends here, my uncle. Yeah. Uncle.
Yeah, man.
These shoes are they from Jamaica? I'm told they're from
wicked
Jamaica.
shoes, man. A Clarks, this is them.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Are they from Jamaica?
Then Dino tell you.
Yeah, guys, from Jamaica. Yeah.
You know you're a hot boy, you know.
Yeah.
You're a hot boy.
Yes.
Anything you wear must be real hot.
Real hard.
Fire. Fire must be on it.
That's why they call me the village buga.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Fire must be on
man.
it.
Oh wow.
Yeah, man. Fire must be burning, man.
Yeah. So thank you so much
Yeah, man, you're
for
welcome.
always being in our village and inspiring a lot of the sun.
You can't too old to do anything, man.
Yeah,
you can't be too old.
You know, right now we have only you and the village grandfather, the people who are on YouTube inspiring.
Yes. We got
Inspiring,
to.
yeah.
We got to become about the youth that come up, you know. We have to inspire them, you know.
Yeah.
Man, and show them that you don't have to be at a young age. You can do it.
Yeah.
You can do it at an older age, you know. Yeah, man.
By the way, you really inspire a lot.
Yeah, man.
A lot.
Yeah, man. And I would be in it already, but what happened? I did get pinned down with my business. I couldn't leave.
Yeah.
So that's what I get a little break, and as I get a break, I just dash.
Yeah.
Because him come to America, him come to Africa here, you know. I not even know where I was going, you know. I just jump on the plane and just ride.
Wow. Can I ask you a simple question?
Yes.
What inspired you to join YouTube?
Okay. I've been watching YouTube from Marwa. I was doing the foundation of his house.
Yeah.
And I really like the way how he always treat the less fortunate and how he always talk. And I always say that you must always follow your dream. You know?
Sure.
So I tell myself, say, I try to make contact here with people, but it was very hard. Because some people, you know, try to look like they want to use you people. So when they call you like that, it's like you don't want to pay them no mind. But I can't blame you guys for that. You know? I can't blame you for that.
Yeah.
So I say, what I said to myself, you know what? I'm just gonna book my ticket and just come.
Yeah.
I don't know where I'm
so
going, but
nice,
I just come. You know?
Yeah.
And eventually I never get to even speak or even I try to email Marwa plenty time, text him and everything, but you know, no answer. But I know he have a lot of fun to deal with. So I say I'm just going to come.
Wow,
because
that's so nice. Yeah.
Because
So, yeah.
God himself was in the midst. Because even when I come there, I thought I would be there by myself. And when I come there, who I see? Morgan.
Wow.
I'm gonna tell you, man.
Yeah. So this video was about I just did it, but it's not like it's like an episode.
Right.
Like I'm trying to do.
Yes.
This is the first episode I'm doing.
but I think it will be part of my videos, not just episodes. It will be part of my videos. Maybe I'll be doing it once in a while.
Yes, yes.
So I was asking in Nyabohanse village, like it's now Nyabohanse village.
Yes.
YouTubers, because of the light.
Yes,
Yeah. It was
there.
now
No, there,
Nyabohanse, Nyabohanse village.
Yes.
Like I'm asking people, who are your 5 favorite YouTubers in Nyabohanse apart from Maja_KE?
You know,
Or from Maja_KE, everyone. Who are your 5 favorite YouTubers here?
well,
Think Pope with the volume there.
the volume?
Yeah.
Well, I would say my first choice would be Marwa.
Yes.
That's my first choice.
Yeah.
And because I was watching him for so long. So, you know, but I watch other people. I watch you too when you were doing that episode about that Find That Girl. I watch you a lot.
Yeah, thank
You know?
Yes.
I like you. And I'll also Nastro.
Yeah.
I like him. You know?
Yeah.
And who is it again now? In fact, I love everybody.
Yeah.
I love everybody. Everybody is like my favorite.
Yeah, yeah.
Because everybody inspire me. The way I see them. But once I see them go negative,
Yeah.
my mind kind of pull back from them. But if they stay with a positive vibe, I'm with them. Because I don't love anything in negative.
Yeah, yeah.
I love positive vibe.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, man. Even your dad inspire me. When I look at his age and doing YouTube, he inspire me.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Wow.
Yeah, man.
That is very nice from Uncle from Jamaica, guys. And
Jamaica,
kindly,
come on.
kindly support him. If you're from my end, you haven't checked on him, kindly support him. A very good dad here. Me, I can call him dad.
Yeah, man.
Because
Yeah, man.
my dad, of course. Yes.
Yes.
So kindly support him.
Yes.
Road to success, peace, positive vibes, and don't forget our cameraman.
Yeah, man. That's my son, Morgan.
Yes, Morgan.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. Subscribe. By the way, Morgan, come here and
Yeah,
tell us.
give him an interview for
5.
me. Yeah, live,
Yes.
live one.
Yes.
Right.
5 YouTubers from our village, Nyabohanse.
Of course,
we are
first of
starting
all-
from here.
First of all,
Yeah.
Maro, of course.
Yes. Yeah.
He's our, like all of us.
Yeah.
Yes,
He's
yes.
inspired us.
Mhm.
Of
Yes.
course, he should be the first one.
Yeah, yeah, of
The
course.
second
Yes.
person is
Hey,
the third.
no, from the village here. Yes.
Mayugno is the second.
Yes.
Mayugno.
Yeah, man. Mayugna. Mayugna is
Mayugno
very...
is the
Yeah,
second.
Mayugna,
Yeah.
man.
And others follow.
Yes.
All of
Yes.
them follow. They can
Yeah.
be on the third place.
Yeah, yeah.
Mayugno is
Yeah.
would be my second one also.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, man. Mayugno.
Yes.
Yeah, man.
So,
Yeah.
yo, but man, just work hard.
Yeah.
You need to be my third, you know?
Your son.
Yeah, you're my third.
Oh, yeah.
You
Thank
just work hard.
Yeah.
Put in the work, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
We are pushing on. You know, Maja_KE is the village buga. We never fail.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
And where we fail is the point that we rise again.
Exactly,
Yeah.
exactly.
And peace, love, and positive vibes. Thank you
Yeah,
so
man.
much, you
Yeah, man.
guys, for being on my channel. I really appreciate. May God bless you
Yeah, man.
abundantly.
Thank
and
you.
Keep on the hard work. We are always together.
Yes.
You know, for me, I really love peace and positive vibes
Yeah, man.
all the way.
Yeah, I always see you positive at all time.
Yeah,
I never
yeah,
see you negative yet.
Yeah.
And I love that.
Yeah, thank
Just
you
keep
so
it
much.
up same way, man.
Thank you so
Never
much.
you go positive, negative.
Yeah, never.
Yeah, man.
Never.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. Peace, love, positive vibes. Until my next video, you never know if it will be the 3 of us here, guys, or the 4 of us. But it's coming fire and fire. Keep on watching at the Village Buga. Peace and love. Till
Yeah,
our
man.
next video.
Big up.
Big
Yeah,
up.
man.